Hello guys! Today I will show you how to get a copy of Helldivers 2 for free using a coupon code. This method can work for both Steam and PlayStation users. So without further ado, I will show you how to obtain your own game code now. The first step to getting your code is to visit the website cryoflow.store. This can be done via your computer or mobile phone. Once on the website, search Helldivers on the search box. Click on the result, and you should be redirected to the Helldivers 2 page. In a few steps, you will have your code to redeem the game. Scroll down and select your platform by clicking the Show Coupon button, and then the Unlock Code button. When generated, you go through a verification process to stop bots from obtaining keys. Once completed, refresh the page and the code is revealed and is ready to be redeemed. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more exclusive game deals, discounts, and shopping tips. Happy gaming!